Have you ever felt like your area is being boxed in by walls? If I told you that you could transform that cramped cave into a roomy haven with just a few easy adjustments? I'm going to completely change the way you view and utilize your valuable square footages, so listen up. You won't want to miss a moment, I promise. Let's play architect first. It's important to know your space inside out. Take measurements of your space and quickly draw a blueprint of your place. It's time to use every square inch of the place. First rule, consider going up and down. Your new best friends will be stackable boxes, hanging bins, and ceiling height shelves. Folks, there's no stopping you now. Everything in your room ought to have many functions. That chair, room for storage, at your desk, and a dining table that folds up in a jiffy. Multifunctional pieces are awesome. This brings us to the magic of smart storage. Roll-out bins beneath the bed, tool-holding magnetic strips, and over the door racks. And voila, every item has a place. The key ingredient is maintenance. Your haven will remain just a sanctuary if you dedicate yourself to keeping the clutter hidden, name everything, and perform a little daily cleanup. Who knew such tiny areas could have so much potential? When you're prepared to take back control of your space and your peace of mind, hit the like button. Tell your friends about this post, and subscribe for more game-changing tips. Recall that you are only a few hacks away from your own haven.